How to uninstall Lost Light game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to remove the game Lost Light from your Android device, then uninstalling it is simple and takes just a few taps. First of all, go ahead and spot the Lost Light game on your Android device's app drawer. Press and hold the app and you'll see a little pop-up where you can see the trash can icon. Tap on it and in the pop-up click on Uninstall. Now the application will be removed from your app drawer. Uninstalling removes the game but your account data may still be saved online. You can reinstall the app anytime from Play Store if needed. Now your Lost Light game is removed from your Android device, freeing up storage and keeping your device clean, whether you are using a smartphone or tablets or even iPads. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.